Top 5 Best Outdoor Wi-Fi Camera in 2025. Hi guys, are you looking for the best outdoor Wi-Fi camera? If you received a new outdoor Wi-Fi camera, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best outdoor Wi-Fi camera on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best based on personal preferences, reading reviews and orders. Number 5. The Braugen 8MP 4K IP Wi-Fi camera is a high-performance security solution that offers peace of mind and ease of use. It features a crystal clear 4K resolution, capturing vivid, detailed footage day or night. It also offers color night vision, providing more context and accuracy to night recordings. The camera connects via Wi-Fi, making installation quick and clean. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for flexible network compatibility. The camera also offers smartphone remote access, allowing users to access live feeds, view recorded footage. Number 4. The MVP Seacom MVP iCsee GU1 Wi-Fi camera is a robust surveillance solution designed for residential and commercial settings. It features high-resolution imaging, pan-tilt functionality, two-way audio, night vision, motion detection alerts, and a weatherproof design. It allows users to cover a wide area without multiple cameras, and offers real-time communication through integrated speakers and microphones. The camera also provides 24/7 surveillance with infrared LED illumination, and sends instant alerts to the user's device. The camera is weatherproof, suitable for indoor and outdoor installations, and allows remote access via compatible mobile applications. Its features include comprehensive coverage, enhanced communication, reliable performance, and durability. However, Number 3. The Udeeser 6K IP Wi-Fi camera is a reliable and comfortable security solution designed for users. It offers crystal clear 6K Ultra HD video quality, providing precision in monitoring properties. The camera's stable Wi-Fi connectivity allows for flexible placement, making it ideal for areas like front yards, garages, or entryways. The smart motion detection system minimizes false alarms and provides real-time notifications on the user's phone. The two-way audio system allows for remote communication with delivery personnel or spotting suspicious visitors. The infrared night vision ensures round-the-clock monitoring, even in total darkness. The camera's intuitive mobile app allows access to live feeds and recorded footage from anywhere, providing complete control from the palm of the user's hand. Number 2. The ANRAN C3 Wi-Fi camera is a reliable home security device that offers a blend of user-friendly design, robust connectivity, and smart technology. It offers 1080p Full HD video recording, providing sharp detail capture. The camera's smooth Wi-Fi connectivity, supported by 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, ensures stable and strong wireless connections. Its 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt capabilities allow for full coverage, with the mobile app allowing remote adjustment of viewing angles. The built-in microphone and speaker allow for interactivity with visitors, delivery personnel, or intruders. The camera's intelligent motion detection system sends real-time alerts to the user's phone when movement is detected, allowing for customization of sensitivity to avoid false alarms. The camera also features color night vision with LED spotlights, allowing for clearer identification and situational awareness even in darkness. The camera is waterproof, rated IP66, and can be installed indoors or outdoors. The user-friendly app. Number 1. The Genev Wi-Fi camera is a reliable and user-friendly device that offers advanced security features and everyday comfort. It is easy to set up and connect to your home network, with a user-friendly app for easy remote access. The camera offers clear 1080p HD video quality, with infrared night vision providing a layer of security. It also features PTZ control, allowing you to pan 355 degrees and tilt 90 degrees, and digital zoom for wide-angle view. The built-in microphone and speaker allow you to communicate with people or pets through the camera. The motion sensor is highly sensitive and customizable, providing real-time notifications and smart tracking. The camera supports both cloud storage and microSD cards, up to 128 GB, with all footage encrypted for privacy. Outdoor models have an IP66 waterproof rating, making them suitable for all weather conditions. The camera supports multiple users, allowing them to access the live feed remotely. Overall, the Genev Wi-Fi camera is a reliable and user-friendly solution for home security, pet monitoring, and front door monitoring. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. To get the latest product review video from this channel, stay with us.